being the auspicious day of Ashada Shukla Prathama, the grand Rathotsava of the great Lord of the world, Jagannatha, is celebrated in the holy land of Puri. We shall now meditate on the heart-melting hymn Jagannathashtaka, devotedly sung by Acharya Shankara, and also savor the story behind the Rathotsava. During Acharya's time, there was no wooden idol in the temple. People said that the ancient idol of Jagannatha was kept in a jewel box and buried on the banks of the Chilka lake due to the fear of foreign invaders. Unfortunately, it could not be traced afterwards. Therefore, the worship was being performed to the Salagrama. Some of the local citizens paid obeisance to Acharya and requested him to retrieve the long-lost ancient idol of Jagannatha. Acharya said, "When there is such an auspicious wish, it will surely be fulfilled by the Lord." After remaining absorbed in meditation for a while, Acharya composed a very beautiful hymn with the refrain, "May Lord Jagannatha be the object of my vision. Jagannatha Swami Nayana Pathagami Bhavatu Me." Before long, Acharya Shankara had a vision of that particular spot on the banks of the lake. He called the devotees and asked them to find the biggest banyan tree on the banks of the lake and dig at the base of that tree. That very day, the servants of the king and the local people spotted the place and started digging. To everyone's delight, the precious box was found. The king of Jagannathapuri arrived there and thousands of people gathered at that spot. It turned out to be a grand festival. Jaya Jaya Jagannatha, Jaya Jaya Shankara, Jaya Jaya Jagannatha, Jaya Jaya Shankara echoed everywhere. The idol of Jagannatha was placed in a chariot, and the procession went to the presence of Acharya Shankara, with the king walking ahead and leading the procession. Acharya Shankara walked to the temple and performed the installation ceremony of the idol. He also prescribed the rituals to be performed for the Lord, which continues even today. From then onwards, Lord Jagannatha, with all his glory, continues to reside in the sacred place of Puri. He is the heart and life of all the people living in that holy land. Acharya Shankara, in his glorious stotra called Jagannathashtakam, gives a charming description of the temple and the Lord. At the foothills of the Nilgiri hills, with a golden glow, Jagannatha is residing within the precincts of the temple with his brother Balabhadra and his sister Subhadra in the center. Now, let us envision the Divine Lord through this beautifully composed stavam.
कदाचित् कालिन्दे तटविपिन सङ्गीतकवरो मुदा गोपेनारे वदनकमलास्वादमधुपगा रमाशम्भो ब्रह्मामरपते गणेशाच्युतपदो जगन्नाथः स्वामी जगन्नाथः स्वामी नयनपथगामी भवतु मे भुजे सव्ये वेणुं शिरसि शिखि पिञ्चं कटितटे दुकूलं नेत्रान्ते सहचर कटाक्षं विदधते सदा श्रीमद् बृन्दावनवसति लीला परिचयो जगन्नाथः स्वामी जगन्नाथः स्वामी जगन्नाथः स्वामी नयनपथगामी भवतु मे महाबोधे स्थिरे कनकरुचिरे नीलशिखरे वसन् प्रासादान्तः सहज बलभद्रेण बलिना सुभद्रा मध्यस्थः सकल सुरसेवावसरदो जगन्नाथः स्वामी जगन्नाथः स्वामी नयनपथगामी भवतु मे कृपापारावारः सजल जलतश्रेणि रुचिरो रमावाणी सोमा स्फुरतमल पद्मोद्भवमुखैः सुरेन्द्रैः आराध्यः श्रुतिगणशिखा गीतचरितो जगन्नाथः स्वामी जगन्नाथः स्वामी जगन्नाथः स्वामी नयनपथगामी भवतु मे रथारूढो गच्छन् पथि मिलित भूदेव पटलैः स्तुतिप्रादुर्भावं प्रतिपदमुपाकर्ण्य सदयः दया सिन्धुः बन्धुः सकल जगतां सिन्धु सुदया जगन्नाथः स्वामी जगन्नाथः स्वामी नयनपथगामी भवतु मे परब्रह्मा पीडः कुवलयदलोत्फुल्लनयनो निवासे नीलाद्रौ निहितचरणो नन्द शिरसे रसानन्दो राधा सरसवपुरालिङ्गन सुको जगन्नाथः स्वामी जगन्नाथः स्वामी जगन्नाथः स्वामी नयनपथगामी भवतु मे न वै प्रार्थ्यं राज्यं न च कनकता भोग विभवे न याचेऽहं रम्यां निखिलजनकाम्यां वरवधूं सदा काले काले प्रमथपतिना गीतचरितो जगन्नाथः स्वामी जगन्नाथः स्वामी नयनपथगामी भवतु मे हरत्वं संसारं धृततरं मसारं सुरपते हरत्वं पापानां विततिम् अपरां यादवपते अहो दीनानाथं निहितम् अचलं पातुम् अनिशम् जगन्नाथः स्वामी जगन्नाथः स्वामी जगन्नाथः स्वामी नयनपथगामी भवतु मे जगन्नाथः स्वामी नयनपथगामी भवतु मे।